Hi there, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted here on YouTube. I am pretty active over on Instagram at Elaine Spencer Social, but I haven't posted a video and I have really missed it. So I thought I would take this opportunity to post my Mother's Day. I did record my children. They are older. I have 3 adult children and 1 minor child. So I did record them making my Mother's Day dinner and just spending some time together. I feel incredibly blessed to be a mother, and I am loving it, especially being a mom to adult children and to teenage children. I think it's the greatest time of my life. Anyway, I thought I would share what they did for me and take you along. My favorite gift is at the end of the video. However, I really enjoyed the acts of service that they gave me of cooking and setting a beautiful tablescape. We had our dinner al fresco outside. We live in Southern California, so the weather is pretty perfect right now this time of year. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope to come back and post more often and, show you some different content. And I would love it if you would come back and check me out again and maybe hit that little red subscribe button, and we can see each other again soon. All right, take care. Hope you have a great day and enjoy the video. Make sure you stay to the end for that perfect gift. I really enjoyed being able to just put my feet up on my bed and watch one of my favorite YouTubers, Stephanie, over at the Chateau Diaries. Do you watch her? You should. So one of my favorite places to go out to eat is Eataly in LA, and sitting outside on their terrace and having some delicious food and a few cocktails or maybe some wine. Anyway, my family is kind of recreating that for me at home. So enjoy the cooking. I will hop back on here and let you know exactly what's what. The lemon ricotta ravioli from Trader Joe's is absolutely delicious. So here's 2 of my boys, and this is the baby right here making this delicious pasta for his mom and for all of us. Anyway, go to Trader Joe's if you have one and make this for yourself. It's delicious. my beautiful daughter set the table and put whatever kind of glass was needed for each person's beverage of choice at the table, which I thought was really sweet. So this ravioli is actually filled with Italian sausage. It is also from Trader Joe's, and my son is tossing it in some marinara sauce. The food is ready. This is my favorite right here, the chicken skewers with some tahini and sea salt flakes and a little lemon juice. And my oldest son grilled the chicken sausage skewers with the vegetables, and he did an amazing job. Also, have you tried this onion dip? So delicious. So pretty much this whole spread came from Trader Joe's. If you love Italian or Mediterranean food like we do, we like to make it at home sometimes, and Trader Joe's is a great resource. Okay, so just squeeze a little lemon juice onto your grilled chicken skewer. Sprinkle with that flaked sea salt. And then finish off with a little bit of the tahini. And doesn't that look amazing? My kids made that for me, and I love them for it.